Today we're taking a look at the new product called Aurora. So in this review what we'll do is I'll show you the sales page very briefly. We'll go inside the members area. I'll show you exactly what's included, and I've had access to this for the last 4 days now, so I can walk you through exactly how this all works, how to set it up, and how this can start making money for you. Then I'll share with you some custom bonuses that I have created and put together for you, because after going through the training and setting everything up, there was a couple of things missing in my opinion. So what I've done is I have put together 7 different bonuses which will enhance the products and ultimately help you to make more money with this method. So what is Aurora? Well, it's a combination of software and training. Now this automates high ticket campaigns with your affiliate link, and this does everything for you. So basically you set this up and it runs completely on autopilot, and this includes products, webinars, the traffic part, which is a huge part of this, but it focuses on high ticket commission products. So you can earn anywhere from $200 up to $1,000 with some of these high paying webinars, and we'll go over that in the campaign. And this is something else what I've put together in the bonuses, where I'll show you how you can get access to thousands of high ticket webinars that you can promote with this system. So who would benefit from Aurora? Well, it's perfect for affiliate marketers, digital marketers, and also reviewers. If you're looking to make money online, then this is a product you may want to consider, and it's available worldwide, and you do not need any experience to get started with this. So overall, Aurora is a very solid product. What I like about this is it's a proven method, but not only is it proven, it comes with absolutely everything that you need. So you go through the training, you follow this step by step, and once you've got this up and running, you can leave it alone if you want, because it just runs on autopilot for you, and it will drive lots of targeted traffic for you using the software that's included with the product. So the overall benefits are this is Aurora generates high ticket commissions for you on autopilot. It's available worldwide. It drives targeted traffic very quickly, and it's also a free traffic. There is additional upsell on there where you can look into paid traffic, but ultimately it focuses on free traffic. Now it's very simple to set all of this up, but like I mentioned, it's set and forget. So you go through the training, set it up, and you can just basically leave this to run on autopilot. Now, like everything I share on this channel, this product comes with a 100% 30-day money back guarantee. You can go through it. If you don't like it or you don't think it's for you, then you can get your money back guarantee. But like I say, I wouldn't share anything on this channel that I haven't accessed myself or purchased, and I've had access to this. I've gone through, I've set it up, and that's what I'm going to cover in this video with you. So let's go ahead and jump into the sales page. So this is the sales page. So what is it? So basically Aurora, it's made up of a software and training, and it focuses on high ticket webinars that basically you promote and you earn a commission for doing so. Now normally this would put people off because you need to get the webinar yourself or create a webinar. You then need hosting, websites, autoresponder, etc, etc. Now this has basically taken away all of that for you, and it automates the entire process, and anything that automates making money online I'm a huge fan of. So if I scroll down here, let's just go over all of this. So this is the product Aurora, and basically as you can see here, you don't need your own products, you don't need advertising, funnels, chatbots, solo ads, websites, etc, etc. Everything has been done for you, including the high ticket offers for you to promote, the free traffic, and then the automation. And this is all broken down really into 4 simple steps. So if I come down here, I'll show you this. Scroll further down here, why it works in 4 simple steps. So basically they have got the high ticket promotions for you to promote. They include 2 promotions that you can go and start promoting today. They also include 5 additional done for you webinar videos that you can use. So that is the first part. You've got the products that you're going to promote, which are these high ticket affiliate webinars. Step 2 is you just add in your link so that basically you can get paid. And then if we scroll down here, step 3, this is free automated traffic. So fast built-in source of hot traffic, and we'll go over that in the video in a second. And then step 4 is well, basically you get paid. So this is the sales page. Feel free, I'll drop a link to this below. You can go ahead and check this out. But let's go and look at the actual product. So this is inside of the members area, and as you can see up here, I've got the pro version. So on here, on the left hand side, you've got all of your videos here, and then on the right, on the right here, you've got your main video, and then underneath here, you've got additional things here. So as you can see here, download the done for you videos, apply for your link here, etc. So if we just go into here, so you've got an introduction, and then you've got the first video, which basically walks you through exactly what you're going to be doing. And as I said, this is sorry, let me pause this. It's a video course, and it's also a software. So if I click on here, access the software, this goes over here. Now, inside the software, you've got two options. So on the right hand side up here, you've got webinars, and then you've got Pinterest followers, and we'll come back to Pinterest in a minute. So the first part is building the webinar page where you're going to be sending traffic to. So on here, you would go and give the project a name, so just whatever basically. You've then got a headline. So in this example here, I've got the 6 simple steps to earning big commission. You've also got an option to put in a pixel code. But then down here, this is where you basically build your webinar. You've got two options on this section here. You've got an introductory video, so you can record a video yourself and have this play before the webinar. Then on the right hand side, you've got the actual webinar. So you would upload your files on here, and then if you want to go ahead and preview this, you click on preview and it opens up a new page for you. And you can see on here, here's your headline, and then here's your page. And this page, it's all hosted for you. So once you've got all this set up, you don't need to pay for hosting or anything like that. And then on here, you've got it's really simple. Literally, you click play. Once you click on play, it doesn't pause or stop or anything like that. People have to watch it through to basically get access to the actual products which they're promoting. But something that's really cool about this is if you scroll down the page here, you can control the call to action. So at any point throughout the webinar, you can decide when a button pops up. Now on here, you can amend this, so you can see on here. Sorry, I can't type. Get access now, etc., etc. You can play around with this button until your heart's content. So you can do buy now, and you can play around with the border and the color, etc. And you can also determine whenever this button will appear over on the actual webinar page. So that is step one. So you've got your webinar, and like I said, they do include ones for you. So if I go on here, you can see download the done for you videos. They give you the link to go and register for this. They've also got additional videos on here. There's some more included a bit further down. So you can see grab the 5 done for you videos here. So once you've got your webinar page set up here, the next part of this is basically driving traffic. Now, this is focused on Pinterest. Now there is an upgrade which integrates with Instagram as well. So the front end product it integrates with everything that you've seen so far, but it's also for Pinterest followers. And what this does is you connect a Pinterest account. Once you've got your Pinterest account set up, you can set up the software to go and follow people in whatever niche you want. And then basically what this is based upon around is your Pinterest account is following people in a certain niche, and then if those people like see your profile is in a similar niche, they'll come back to your profile and then click the link in the description. So you can go on here and you can search for different people via keywords and keywords, and also on the right hand side up here you can also search for different group boards. So if you to go up here into group boards and search a keyword, let's just do internet marketing for example, click on search, this is going to bring up all the related group boards to this keyword here, internet marketing. And then what you can do on here, so you see this follow followers, so you can set this software up for your Pinterest account to go and follow all of the people who are following this internet marketing board, because if you know they're interested in internet marketing, it's very likely they're going to be interested in the product that you're promoting. And look, this doesn't just work in the make money online niche and internet marketing. You can do this in absolutely any niche. So if I go on here, we'll let's just type in dogs. You can type in dogs, and again, this will bring up all of the group boards for you. So you can just basically set this up and it will go and follow people for you related to the keyword that you put into the software. So this is Aurora, this is the front end product, and then like I say, you've got the software here where you can automate your Pinterest, so it just goes and follows people for you. Then you've also got the built-in webinar builder for you. So everything has been done for you. Once you go through the training and set everything up, it just runs on autopilot. Now there is an upgrade to this, and basically the upgrade allows you to connect to Instagram. So at this moment in time on the front end version, you get access to the webinars and the Pinterest followers. If you get the upgrade, and we'll go over the pricing in a minute. Basically on here you can connect an Instagram account, and it does what the software does for Pinterest, it's just over on Instagram. Now you can search for different accounts to follow via keywords. It's very similar to the Pinterest one, but it's just on a different platform. It's just on Instagram. So the Instagram is one of the paid upgrades, and the additional upgrades are not only do you get access to Instagram, you also get this bottom training here, and this basically just shows you how to scale this up, and it's predominantly using paid advertising. So you've got things like pixel, and then adding your pixels and tracking and how to set up a campaign and running ads basically. So that is the product and the software. Let me talk to you about the pricing very quickly, and then once we've done that I'll go into the bonuses I've put together for you. So at the front end price, it will cost you $27.97. As you can see, it's a complete system that automates webinars and generates traffic for you, and it's basically using built-in traffic because it's going and following Pinterest accounts which are related to the niche that you're promoting. Upgrade 1, which is the pro version, it would cost $67, and this will basically give you access to everything that we've covered, including unlimited videos, unlimited renders, basically everything's unlimited, but also including the Instagram side of it as well. Upgrade number 2 is $197, and it's done for you, so everything has been done for you. If I scroll down here, you've got upgrade number 3, which is limitless traffic. This basically allows you to put your own pixel on there, on Jono's and Brendan's sales page, and then you can use all of that information to run ads to these different people who have visited the sales page. And upgrade number 4 is license rights to sell Aurora as your own product. So that's it. There's only 4 upsells. Out of all of the upsells, I would definitely recommend the pro version, which is $67, because it gives you access over to Instagram as well. So that is the prices, that is the products, that's what you get. Now this is the bonuses that I've put together for you. So bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how to get access to thousands of high-paying webinars, because within the course they've given you one of their own high-ticket webinars to promote, and then in the training they're going to show you how to find some additional webinars over on ClickBank. And both of the webinars that they focus on are predominantly around make money online. So in this bonus here, I'll show you where you can not only get access to thousands of high-paying webinars, but where you can also get access to webinars in absolutely any niche. And I'll show you an example of that now. So let me go into here. Webinars and also up and coming webinars, and this is updated every single day. So if you scroll through here, you will find a webinar in absolutely any niche, so you don't just have to go into the make money online niche. And I'll show you some examples of this. So you can see here, here's one for how to get started with a freelance magazine. We've got one over here, so how we made 6 figures in 6 months from property rentals. You've then got another one here to digital marketing. Scroll down here, you've got another one here, make money on Airbnb, secrets to raising happy children. There's just thousands of webinars that you can find on here. You can go through, you can watch them, see if this is a product that you want to promote, and then you can reach out to the creator of that webinar and start driving traffic to this and earn affiliate commissions for doing so. So this will help you, it will speed up the whole process for you because they're already done for you. Whereas over on the course, they focus on ClickBank, and it's basically you have to go into every single listing and go onto the JV page and see if they have a webinar done for you. Whereas this, they're already done for you. You simply come and pick the one you want, and then you can start promoting that. So that is bonus number 1 for you. It will save you a hell of a lot of time and just give you many more options for promoting different high ticket webinars. Bonus number 2 that I've put together for you. Number 2, you're going to get access to a PDF, and in this PDF you're going to find affiliate programs that pay ridiculously high commissions. Some of the programs in this PDF, they pay up to $8,000 in commission. So this is a full PDF. You'll get access to this. That is bonus number 2, and that pretty much covers the bonuses in terms of finding high ticket programs. So we've given you additional high ticket webinars that you can promote. We've also covered affiliate programs. The next part of the bonuses for you is the traffic part. Now if I scroll down here, bonus number 3 is how to master Pinterest, because the software it's set up so you create a Pinterest profile and it will go and start following people for you. This here is a full course, and it will walk you through how to set up your Pinterest account properly, how to optimize that, and then not only that, it will show you how you can start posting content onto Pinterest that has the potential to go viral. So it's a 5-day course. You can see it's all laid out here, but day 2 is probably it is without a doubt the best day for this whole course, and it shows you how to create viral pins. So you've got the software on Aurora going and doing the following automatically for you. With this bonus here, you'll know how to optimize your Pinterest profile, you'll know how to create viral pins and much more. And this can drive you masses of volumes of traffic over from Pinterest. Bonus number 4 what I've got for you is the Pinterest keyword finder. Now this here is optimized for search engine over on Pinterest. Now once you get this, it's a Chrome extension and it goes up here. Now I'll just show you how this works. So you type in absolutely any keyword that you want. So again, you can go into any niche with this. So if you make money online, you can type it and it'll bring up any related keywords. But I'll show you one that I was looking at earlier actually, and it was stop smoking. So if you was promoting a high ticket webinar around stop smoking, click on submit here, it actually brings up really focused search engine optimization tips for over on Pinterest. Now you can see these are keywords which are ranking over on Pinterest. So you maybe not have thought of some of these if you was promoting this, but it just gives you so many more options for your pins over on Pinterest. So this is like stop smoking. If you do, let's do make money online, click on submit, you can see it brings up all of these different keywords that you can use on Pinterest, and it's really simple to use. As you've seen, it's really simple, it's really quick, and you'll get instant access to this today. If you scroll down here, bonus number 5 excuse me, bonus number 5 is my own course, and it's called Aurora Traffic Tactics. Now this here, it focuses on evergreen traffic, and in this course here I'll just show you an additional way to drive traffic over to your high ticket webinar. Now you can see here I go over how to set up your account properly, how to find people looking for your products, etc, etc, and you can see here that this is just some of the feedback that I've had on the course. It's all been very positive, and if you go through this course you'll know exactly how to drive additional traffic from Aurora over to your high ticket webinar. Bonus number 6 is an Instagram scheduler for you. So with this one here, what you can actually do is you can schedule and post content on Instagram for free. Bonus number 7 is all of the vendor bonuses, and this includes softwares and courses. So you can see on here you'll also get an additional Instagram software that you can use. You've got 2 alternative traffic sources. You've got a full course which is called the Fuego Breakout. Then you've also got Jono's Branding Hacks Part 1 and 2. So you'll get access to everything that we've gone through today and all of my bonuses, and it all comes with a 14-day money. Oh no, it's a 30-day money back guarantee, and all of this will cost you less than $29. So there's a link down below if you want to go ahead and check this out, but I highly recommend this product. It's a great course, it's got awesome software, and if you're looking for a simple way and an automated way to make money online around high ticket commissions, then this is a great product to look into. So thanks for watching. I shall see you tomorrow.